We all know about the prime factorization of numbers. Using prime factorization of numbers, we can find HCF and LCM. We all know how to find the prime factorization, and there is a relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers. Now, what is the relation? HCF of A and B, where A and B are two numbers, and LCM of A and B, and the product of these two is equal to the product of the two numbers. Which are the two numbers? A and B. Let us take an example and see whether this holds true or not. Let us take an example of 14, an easy one, and 16. Okay? The first step is we need to find the prime factorization of 14 and then the prime factorization of 16. 14, 2, 7, 7, 1. So 14 can be written as 2 into 7 into 1. Now we come over to 16. Again, prime factorization of 16 is 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2 and 1. So we have 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Now, let us find the HCF first. For HCF, we need to find the least power of the common numbers, common factors. We have 2 as a common factor, so the least power is 1. So HCF is 2. So what is the LCM? LCM is, we have gone with the 2, okay? We are left with 7 into 1 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, right? So this is the LCM and this is the HCF. Now the question is, can we say this HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to the product? वैसे I need to multiply and see, लेकिन एक शॉर्टकट देखते हैं. शॉर्टकट क्या है? अगर मैं 14 into 16 करती हूँ, मतलब 14 into 16, that is the product of the numbers. तो मेरे पास क्या आएगा? सारे factors, right? तो मैं सारे factors लिख देती हूँ. 2 into 7 into 1 and then factors of 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Clear? And now what is HCF? HCF इसमें से ये, ठीक है? और LCM क्या है? अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो HCF क्या है? 7 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. So this complete is the LCM. And what is the sign in between? Multiply. So we have HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. It's a small concept but very important. I'll again repeat it. HCF of A into B, of A and B into LCM of A and B is equal to product of the two numbers A into B. Now we'll find the prime factorization of 14, then prime factorization of 16. उसके बाद हम 14 के prime factors लिखेंगे, 16 के prime factors लिखेंगे, HCF फाइंड करेंगे. HCF क्या होगा? जो कॉमन होगा उसका लीस्ट पावर, मतलब 2. उसके बाद LCM क्या होगा? जो बाकी जितने फैक्टर्स बचे हैं वो LCM. आसान तरीका. एंड देन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स क्या होंगे? 14 के सारे फैक्टर्स, 16 के सारे फैक्टर्स. उसमें से HCF ये है, LCM ये है. तो HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers. I hope it's clear.